Welcome to Block 7. Today, we take you on a tour of Burnt Earth Beach House, a unique coastal retreat designed by Wardle, located in Anglesea, Victoria, Australia. Spanning 339 square meters, this multi-generational home seamlessly blends comfort, sustainability, and a deep connection to the surrounding landscape. Burnt Earth Beach House replaces an aging beach shack that had reached the end of its lifespan. The design draws inspiration from the natural environment, particularly the striking cliff formations of Anglesea. Terracotta is the defining material of this house, used extensively in both the exterior and interior. While the facade is constructed from handcrafted terracotta bricks, the interior features terracotta tiles lining the floors, walls, and even custom-built joinery. This material palette not only enhances the home's aesthetic appeal, but also mirrors the rugged textures and earthy tones of the coastal landscape. One of the standout elements of this home is the brick itself. Developed through a collaboration between architect John Wardle and brickmaker Clinton Krause, each brick undergoes an intricate process of extrusion and hand-tearing before being cut, resulting in a rough, raw-hewn texture. Glazing experiments further enhance the material, blending unglazed bricks with green and brown glazed variations that harmonize beautifully with the surrounding native vegetation of coastal Banksia trees. The roof design is another key feature, sloping dramatically to a low point where a terracotta-clad spout directs rainwater onto a large rock in the courtyard. This thoughtful detail not only serves as a sculptural element but also acts as a natural water management system. Sustainability plays a central role in this project. The house is fully powered by electricity, featuring solar panels, a heat exchange water system, and hydronic heating. To ensure energy efficiency, the concrete slab and terracotta walls are heavily insulated, minimizing temperature fluctuations. Adjustable blinds and shutters allow the homeowners to control sunlight and heat, optimizing indoor comfort throughout the year. Architecturally, Burnt Earth Beach House follows a cruciform floor plan, allowing for carefully framed views and abundant natural light. At the heart of this design is the island kitchen bench, both a physical and social centerpiece of the home. From here, the living and dining areas seamlessly extend to outdoor terraces and a spacious courtyard, creating an effortless connection between indoor and outdoor living. The house is spread across 2 levels, providing a balance between shared spaces and private retreats. While the ground floor fosters social interaction, the upper level offers a tranquil escape for relaxation and solitude. This thoughtful layout ensures the home meets the diverse needs of a multi-generational family, offering both communal gathering areas and moments of privacy. More than just a residence, Burnt Earth Beach House is a masterpiece that reflects a profound relationship between architecture, materiality, and its natural surroundings. By using durable, locally inspired materials like terracotta and spotted gum timber, the house is built to withstand the elements while aging gracefully over time. concludes our tour of Burnt Earth Beach House. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Block 7 for more inspiring home tours. See you in the next video.